Matthew Austin, you're in the lead.
Good luck. Maybe you're after me.
We check hands first before we go in here, right?
Yeah, I checked it here. Hi, I'm Matthew.
Okay, state your name for the record.
My name is Matthew Austin.
Raise your right hand. You affirm to tell the truth regarding this proceeding.
I do.
Katrina. This concerns docket P 1040885 and summons I 3022391. This is for July 15, 2025 at 8690. No parking anytime. What do you want to tell me?
Sure. So I have a written defense statement that I can submit to the record.
Say whatever you want to say.
Sure.
Okay.
So, Dear City of Parking Violations Bureau, we hereby submit this formal defense and request that the immediate dismissal of the above referenced parking violation pursuant to New York State Vehicle and Traffic Law, Section 238 on the following legal grounds. 1. Invalid location. The particular place of occurrence is not properly identified. The summons alleges that the violation occurred at 86 Nottingham. However, no such address exists in the City of Buffalo. See Exhibits A, B, C. I've attached the city's assessment roll, the spatialist site, and then a visual inspection picture.
Where were you? I don't want to hear that. Where were you?
I was not at 86 Nottingham.
Where were you?
Not at 86 Nottingham as
Well,
alleged.
tell me where you were.
I can only
I know
respond.
Nottingham very well.
Yeah. So the ticket.
What were you doing there?
I was at a barbecue or a picnic
At someone's house.
at Delaware Park,
Okay.
which I think has an address of
Okay.
414 Park Street.
Go on. Go on.
Okay. Under VTL 238.
No. Tell me what happened. I don't want to hear that.
This is
Been
my
doing
defense.
this 30 years.
This is my
I
defense
don't want to
statement.
hear. You tell me what happened. Where you were. What happened. 30 years I've been doing this. I don't want to hear all that VT and stuff. Tell me what happened.
This is my defense statement.
Tell me what happened in English.
This
How
is
old are
English.
you? How old are you?
I'm 35.
With 35, you should be able to tell me the whole story in 1 or 2 minutes.
I am. I have a 2-page
Oh,
defense
dear God.
statement.
You gotta read it, read it.
Okay.
But what you're gonna tell me, I've heard for 30 years.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So what I want is an English statement in a 1 or 2, like you're talking to someone.
I'm talking to the hearing officer. Correct?
Go on.
Okay. Under VTL 238 Section 2, the notice must include the particular place of occurrence. A vague or incorrect street
You
address
got any
failed.
photos?
Yeah, I have a
Show me
picture.
the photos, okay?
This is a picture of Nottingham. It's 85 and 87. So just on visual inspection, just confirms that no 86 Nottingham exists.
Go on. What else you want to tell me?
Can I have my defense statement back?
I know those houses.
Okay. Additionally, the notes section of the summons was left entirely blank. See Exhibit D. The issuing officer, identified only as I-58, had the opportunity to clarify or supplement the location details, particularly important given the ambiguity of the stated address, but declined to do so. This omission further underscores the notice's failure to specify a valid or verifiable location. This is not a mere technicality. Per VTL 238-2A-B, if any information is required to be inserted on a notice of violation is omitted from the notice of violation, misdescribed, or illegible, the violation shall be dismissed upon application of the person charged. Accordingly, as the persons charged, we hereby apply for dismissal pursuant to VTL 238-2A-B. 2. Failure to specify the applicable rule or ordinance. The summons merely states no parking anytime, without citing any specific section of New York State Vehicle and Traffic Law, Buffalo City Code, Chapter 479, Article 1, Traffic Regulations, or any local ordinance. This omission violates VTL 238-2, which explicitly requires a description of the charge violation, including, but not limited to a reference to the applicable traffic rule or provision of this chapter. This requirement is not discretionary. It is fundamental due process. The law exists to ensure that those accused of a violation are given proper legal notice of the specific rule allegedly violated. A summons that fails to reference the legal authority under which it is issued is facially defective and unenforceable. As the persons charged, we again apply for dismissal under VTL 238-2A-B, which provides that such omissions shall be dismissed upon application of the persons charged. Third and finally, a request for leniency based on a clean record. Should the Bureau decline to dismiss on the legal grounds above, we respectfully request leniency based on our clean record. Both the vehicle operator and registered owner have no prior parking or traffic violations in the City of Buffalo and have consistently complied with local regulations. Conclusion. The City of Buffalo must not permit its enforcement authorities to operate outside the bounds of the law or in violation of due process. Summons I-30-22391 is legally deficient under multiple provisions of New York State Vehicle and Traffic Law, Section 238. We respectfully request that it be dismissed in full with no penalties or further action. Respectfully submitted, Matthew J. Austin, MEP, and Stephen G. Austin, CPA.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to send out for a sign check. The signs are correctly there, then you're going to be found guilty. If they're not, I'll find you not guilty. So I'm going to adjourn this.
Okay.
Do what you got, and you're going to have to come back.
Okay.
And what the sign check says, we will go with. I'm not.
At 86 Nottingham?
What?
At 86 Nottingham?
You know what? They ballparked it. I know the area very well. Okay? You're not getting off because there isn't an 86. Okay? Been doing this too long to deal with someone who comes in with this thing here. People talk to me 1-2 minutes, they say the whole thing, not this.
Okay.
I've dealt with this stuff from day one. Doesn't help you. But we're going to come back.
And there is a block on the sign. On the block, there is a sign where one way says no standing anytime, but then the other side says it does allow for parking. So the ambiguity of the location actually.
So there is a sign that says that.
But there also is a sign that says you can park.
We're going to do the sign check and we're going to see. Today is what, the 21st? We'll come back about a month, September 18th. Okay?
Okay.
Give me your name again. Stephen?
I'm Matthew Austin.
Matthew?
Yeah.
And the owner is Stephen.
Yes.
I was just gonna say, hey.
And the hearing date is going to be and we'll say 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. We will see you then.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Fina.